How to fix USB connector connected disconnected notification problem. So if you want to fix the USB connected disconnected notification problem, then first you just need to check your USB cable, because if you have any problems with your cable, then that might be the issue. So check your cable. You can try with another cable if you're facing a problem with your cable. So once you've done that, now you need to go for settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down, and here you need to go for your developer options. So if you have not turned on your developer options, then you can go for your system. Under system, here you will have developer options. You can tap on it and then you can turn on your developer options. Once you turn on, now you need to scroll down and you need to find the option which is USB debugging. So simply scroll down and then search for that option. Here you will have your USB debugging. You can simply tap on it and then you need to toggle that option on. Okay, and then toggle it on. Once you've toggled that on, now you need to search for USB, like default USB configuration. If you scroll down here, you may find default USB configuration. You need to search for that, or if you don't find it, you can simply go for the search icon which will be on the upper right, and then you can search for that and tap on default USB configuration, and here you will have the option, right? So simply tap on it, and here you can choose no data transfer, or you can only choose the charging option. So once you've chosen, you can go back and then you need to restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your USB connector connected disconnected notification problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.